Hello, and welcome to another Super Dispatch support video. Today, we'll walk you through how to manage dispatchers inside of Carrier TMS. The first thing you're going to want to do is log into your Carrier TMS account. Once you're logged into the platform, click on the profile icon in the bottom left-hand corner. From there, select Dispatchers. Once you're on the dispatcher page, just select Invite Dispatcher. From here, you're going to want to enter the dispatcher's email and their phone number. From their email account, they can click on the Super Dispatch welcome email. Once they've clicked on Join Carrier, they'll just need to enter their full name and then a good strong password. Once they've entered their password, they'll just need to click on the blue Join Carrier button. From there, they'll be able to log into their account. Once the dispatcher has successfully signed up, their information will appear on your screen. To deactivate a dispatcher, you'll just want to click on the three dots in the upper right-hand corner and select Deactivate. To note, deactivating a dispatcher may affect the loads assigned to them, moving those loads back to the news section. Additionally, the dispatcher will no longer be able to log into the Carrier TMS platform or access any of their loads. To reactivate a dispatcher, you'll just want to click on the Reactivate button in the upper right-hand corner. Additionally, dispatchers can filter loads they've created or booked off the load board by clicking on Loads and then selecting their name inside of the dispatcher's box. This filter will remain in effect until they've selected Clear Filters. And that's it. You now know how to manage dispatchers inside of Carrier TMS. For any further questions, contact our support team at support@superdispatch.com or by using the chat icon in the bottom right-hand corner of your screen. Again, thank you so much for watching our video, and we hope you have an amazing rest of your day.